How to fix account not found on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Arik and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix account not found on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is you will need to open up your TikTok. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. And after you do that, if you cannot find an account, or if whenever you try to find an account, you search for an account and it says that it cannot find account, it can be due to your TikTok not working. So simply head over to your profile, tap on the three lines on the top right, and then tap on settings and privacy. After you're there, you can simply scroll down and there you should see an option called free up space. Head over there and then simply clear your cache. Tap on the clear option, clear your cache. You can clear your downloads as well. So I'll just clear the downloads as well here. And after clearing your cache and downloads, you will need to try to search for accounts again. If that does not fix it, head over to report a problem, which is under settings and privacy. So here you will need to simply tap on your search option, and whenever you find this option right here, unable to find specific user or content, tap on it and then tap on no. Right here you will need to tap on need more help, and here you will need to start a chat. Now here you will need to explain your problem and they should be able to help you. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching. That is for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.